Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make very small Mortal Kombat figures. These are so small, you can fit all of them on top of a penny. Here are the materials you'll need.
Excellent. Yeah, bring the money! Come here!
Start off by heating up some water for the plastic beads. Dump the beads in water and wait about 20 seconds. I used about 1 bead per character, although you can always add or remove plastic beads depending on the size of the character. Careful not to burn yourself while removing the beads from the water. Roll the bead into a ball and use your tweezers to slowly shape the body, starting with the head. If you want, you can shave off any excess plastic with a precision knife. Don't forget to use a magnifying glass if you need to. If this proves to be too difficult, just shape the body, then super glue any bits for the arms or the legs later. You can also buy and piece together other figures, but try to keep the proportions the same. Try a combination of things to get the results that you want. Next up is painting. Decide what colors truly highlight the character's overall design. Use tweezers to hold your character in place or use a helping hand station. Use one color at a time and make sure it completely dries before moving on to the next. For stuff like Johnny Cage's glasses or Kano's eye, I literally used just one single strand of hair from the paintbrush. I used small and short strokes while holding my breath for a few seconds at a time to get better results. Once the paint dries, go over the large areas again to give it better definition. Be careful not to drop your figures on the floor because they're really small and hard to find. Look for a nice base to proudly display your figures. I found this birdhouse kit at the dollar store that comes with little thin wood squares. It even came with a small tube of glue. Carefully cut the wood and piece them together using super glue so that it dries quicker and holds better.
Test your might.
I printed out a very small Mortal Kombat logo for the backdrop and used a small amount of the glue that came with the birdhouse kit to glue it onto the back of the base. Finally, I placed some double-sided tape on the bottom of the base and carefully placed the figures onto the board. The reason I didn't use super glue for holding up the figures was because I was afraid that using too much would morph the legs together into one piece and ruin the figures. Make sure the characters are nicely distributed, balanced, and upright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment and let me know how I'm doing. Consider subscribing and liking this video. And I hope you all have a nice day. Thanks.
Fatality. Flawless victory.